Hi, I'm Tara, Accessibility Lead for Xbox Game Studios. As we all know, quality assurance is an important part of game development, and that means accessibility too. Here are some ways QA can support. The first step is to test against your product's accessibility goals. You can't tackle everything at once, so dev teams should make commitments like the game can be completed without the use of audio by the player. Be explicit. QA can take these goals and develop a test plan against them. By tracking these results, you'll be able to have real conversations about where you are, where you need to invest, and perhaps where things aren't really working out. By finding and logging issues, QA will be able to tell you if you're meeting your goals or not. Of course, simply having an accessibility feature doesn't mean that the feature is actually good. Pull information from resources like the Xbox Accessibility Guidelines, develop a test plan, and see if it's going to meet gamers' expectations. But don't forget, Xbox now has accessibility tags in the digital store. Develop a test plan against the tags to see if you're hitting any of the criteria, and if you're not hitting the criteria, determine the specific reasons why. Maybe you can still make some changes. Finally, it's important to make sure that the work you've put into accessibility doesn't break. Keep a subset of the accessibility goals test cases to run as a regular check and make sure the main development branch hasn't broken. These tests wouldn't be standalone accessibility tests, but integrated into other tests that QA is regularly running, like a smoke test. If something breaks, treat it as an ASAP bug to get it resolved. Don't let the broken feature enter your staging branch. It's always important to remember that testing alone is no substitute for the lived experience of players with disabilities. Getting feedback from actual players on whether the features you implement meet their needs is a critical part of this process that needs to be happening in tangent to your QA, tracking, and testing. By utilizing quality assurance, you can know the state of your accessibility goals, get ideas on if your features are actually accessible, and ensure that your hard work doesn't get broken as development continues. I hope you've told your QA how valuable they are today. Thanks for watching.